Hello, ladies and gents. It's Lachlan Ellsworth here. How are you? Hope you're having a brilliant day. As a result of the Back on Track intermediate trading series that we've been running, a lot of people have actually asked us to start literally throwing information out there about the Delta trade and also about the standard signals that the Euro 144 offers in the Euro cash market. So what I wanted to do is put together a library of videos for you from trading, just so you can see what we're doing, how we're doing it, and what the potentials of the trades have been. Now let's go through the Delta trade summary for Monday the 30th of November 2009. Session starts 7 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. daylight saving time. Now you'll note that I've picked up a Delta short around about 12 minutes into the market session. Now, why is that a Delta short? I'll draw your attention down to the bottom of the page there where we've got a red arrow. Very, very important that we get a red arrow down there, actually telling us that the market wants to go in a downward direction. What we then do is check our DS and our MACD to make sure they are both pointing down. What we then do is ensure we get a red candle and that our moving averages are moving in complement. Now, if we've got the MAs moving in complement and all of those other criteria are met, and we're good to go short. Now you can see here we've entered 4 contracts at 2832. The actual signal confirmed at 33, but I used a market order to get in on that trade because quite often the deltas actually run pretty hard. Now this signal did go against us a little bit, which is great because it would have filled all of the limit orders before it then plummeted to the profit targets. Now we're using a power trade strategy. First target is 6 points, second target is 10. So that's a 6% and a 10% return respectively. Now you'll note with interest that it continued to go significantly in our favour, and in fact for those that are trading the counter moving average cross, then what you would have been able to do is actually pull around about 24 points out of that 30-point move. Now I say 30-point move in the first 43 minutes of the market. That to me represents a phenomenal opportunity, even for the junior traders who grabbed 6 and 10. Well, fantastic. You're actually over your daily profit goal for the day, which is a big point I want to raise. You know, I set the goal at 5%. I want you to be achieving your 5%. Now, what did we get down the bottom here? If you missed the Delta entry or you missed the SMS alert on that, which will be coming out very, very shortly, what you picked up down here is actually a standard buy signal on the Euro 144. 6 points worth of volatility. What I've done here with the left-hand candle, the left-hand arrow, is actually mark for you the 0 candle, which I want you to measure your volatility from. Now the volatility is measured from the base of that green candle. The base of the green candle was 2809. 2809. We then go to the highest peak of the red candle to its right hand side, which is actually 2815. What we've got there is a 6-point volatility. Absolutely brilliant because we set up for an absolutely textbook buy signal. It confirms on the arrow in the candle here. I note with interest this time, if you had have used a limit order, you probably wouldn't have been picked up, whereas the market order gets picked up and off we go. Now, I was actually preparing for a webinar at this time, so I missed this trade. In saying that, 8-point target on that one. It absolutely thumped through its target, confirmed at 2809, and you can see here it's actually touched 2822. So it actually did offer a full 13 points. Your target is 8 points, so you would have actually got out of that really nicely. I like the euro because of the time of the trade. That one confirmed at 7:43. And it actually paid its full targets at 7:51 p.m. So not a long trade, around about 8 minutes for another 8%. All right, ladies and gents. Now we've got a session this coming Friday night on the Delta. I'm going to explain what we're doing in summary, and what I'll do throughout the week is add some videos into the archive so you can monitor what we're doing and understand how powerful the strategy is. Have an absolutely brilliant week, ladies and gents, from the entire team. Thank you for listening to the video, and I look forward to briefing you all on Friday night. Have a good one, ladies and gents, and bye for now.